Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are for the things which we can count and uncountable nouns are for the things which we cannot count. Countable noun is a noun that can be counted by using a number or numeral you can say, and also that occurs in both singular as well as in plural, just like example here. One dog, that is the noun. One dog, that is singular, that is countable. Two dogs, है ना, तो यहाँ पे plural भी है तो that is also countable. And that co-occurs with quantifier determiners like every, each, several, etc. तो इनके साथ भी जो noun use होते हैं that is also countable noun. And if you want to ask about the quantity of a countable noun, you ask how many. Combined with the plural countable nouns. अगर आप nouns के बारे में क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि कितने, how many, just like here 2 dogs given over here, so that is countable noun. How many horses? 2 horses, 3 horses, more than 3 horses, so that is also countable noun. Basically quantity should be given over there. Now come to uncountable nouns. They are for the things that we cannot count with the numbers. They may be the names of for abstract ideas, quality, physical objects that are too small to be counted. Example, liquids, powder, gases, etc. So uncountable nouns वो होते हैं जिनको हम count नहीं कर सकते हैं. They may be some abstract nouns हो सकते हैं, कोई qualities हो सकती हैं, और physical objects means जिसको हम देख सकते हैं, but they are very small, too small to be counted, जिनको हम count नहीं कर सकते हैं. Just like liquids हो गए, हमारा milk, ऑयल, पाउडर्स हो गए, गैसेस हो गए, सो दीज आर अनकाउंटेबल. दे ऑलवेज यूज्ड विद द सिंगुलर वर्ब. दे यूजुअली डोंट हैव प्लूरल फॉर्म. जनरली प्लूरल फॉर्म्स नहीं होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टी, शुगर, वाटर, एयर, राइस, नॉलेज, ब्यूटी, एंगर, विजडम, ऑनेस्टी, research, many more. So it can also be paired with words expressing plural concept. Plural concept जो show करते हैं उन words के साथ हम uncountable nouns use कर सकते हैं. So using these words we can make our writing more specific. Example given over here, garbage, that is uncountable noun, but if we pair this word with some plural concept then we can make our writing more specific. Just like there are 9 bags of garbage on the curb. कितने bags हैं garbage के? 9. So यहाँ पे हम quantity दे रहे हैं लेकिन that garbage is uncountable. Water, it is uncountable. अगर हमको sentence में use करना है water तो then how we will write? Try to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day. Advice, that is also abstract noun. She gave me a useful piece of advice. Bread, please buy a loaf of bread. Furniture, a couch is a piece of furniture. Equipment, a backhoe is an expensive piece of equipment. Cheese, please bake 10 slices cheese for me. So here you can see some are abstract nouns, some are what you can say uncountable noun. So how you will use these in the sentences. Now come to the exercise. Underline noun countable or uncountable. Sorry, is the underlined noun countable or uncountable? Write on the given lines. So here in exercise, underlined words are being given over here. You have to identify them into countable or uncountable. First one, your book is on the table. Book कहाँ पे है? Kitchen table पे. So that is countable. Second, I am looking for information about early rock and roll. So here information, that is abstract, uncountable. Paper, countable. Permission, again abstract noun, uncountable. Children, that is common, countable. Be careful, the water is deep. Water क्या है? Deep है. That is also uncountable. The parade included fire trucks and police cars, countable, and so on. So आप exercises ऐसे ही पढ़ के solve करेंगे. Okay, thank you.